Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In this video, we will be analyzing the first ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك. Now when you read this word, make your ta light and give it one count. And what do you mean by count? Count is the time you will give to your harakat. And what are the harakat? The harakat are the vowels in Arabic. Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra. And these harakat are given one count. Okay, they're given one count. So here the ta is with fatha, so we'll give your ta one count. And then you have the letter ba. The letter ba is given two counts. Now why is this given two counts? Because you have this alif saghira over here. Okay, which is counted same as alif mad. And what is alif mad? The mad letters are three: alif mad, waw mad, and ya mad. If you are not aware of the mad letters, you will be taught soon, inshallah ta'ala, in the group. For now, just remember that you have to give your ba two counts. Okay, ta, ba, ra. Now you have the letter ra, which is a heavy letter. So make it heavy. Ra, ra, this sound, not ra, ra, not tabara. It should be tabara, ra. Okay, tabara. And then join your kaf with the lam. كالذي تبارك الذي. Now while you read your letter dhal, the tip of your tongue should touch the edges of your front teeth. If you look into the mirror, you will feel as if your tongue is coming outside. Okay, and the sound should be the, and give it two counts because it is with yamad. Okay, tabarakalladhi biyadihi. Now here, while you read this word, all the letters over here are light. Biyadi, biyadi. Okay, biyadi, biyadi, yil mulku. Now while you join your ha with the lam, don't bounce your lam. Don't read it like hilla. Okay, it should be biyadihil mulku. Okay, inshallah. Wahuwa. Wahuwa. Give all the letters over here one count. Wahuwa. Ala. Ala. Ain is a light letter. Don't make it no. Ala. Give it one count and your lam should be given two counts. Ala. Kulli. Kulli. وهو على كل شيء قدير. Now first thing is the lean over here. The sound of your lean should be shay, not shay. Okay, shay, شيء. Now this rule over here is one of the rules of noon sakina, which is known as ikhfa. Now what is ikhfa? Ikhfa is when you hide your noon sakina. Okay, for now, don't get confused. What will you do over here? You will just not touch the makhraj of noon. And what is the makhraj of noon? The tip of your tongue will touch the gums of your front teeth. This is the makhraj of noon. Now whenever you are doing ikhfa, that means when you have to hide your noon, you will not go near the makhraj of noon. Okay, so you will do the same thing over here, and while you're hiding your noon, you will actually have to go to the makhraj of the next letter. Okay, and you'll have to stretch the ghanna. And here in this case, your ghanna should be heavy because the letter which is after this tanween is a heavy letter. Okay, now for now, don't get confused. You will do heavy ghanna over here. Okay, شيء ق. Okay, شيء ق. And then قدير. Now what will you do? You can stretch your mud over here, which can be given 2, 4, or 6 counts. Okay, So you can give it 2 counts or 4 counts or 6 counts. It's completely optional. And then you have this ra over here, which should be light. Qadir. Okay, Qadir. Okay, practice your lesson well with the Sheikh. جزاك الله خير. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.